Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, after that, my shortcut is gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same tile again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to it to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!